Guys, today I'm very excited because we finally bought our brand new car, and today in this video we will be unboxing it. Now you people might be like, unboxing a car? Vimal, what do you mean by that? Well, that is a fun part. So make sure to watch this video till the end because it's gonna be awesome. So just like me, I'm pretty sure a lot of people are looking to buy a brand new car in 2024, right? But there is a lot of confusion which model to go for, which segment to consider, which company to go for. So this video might actually help you make your decision because I'll share my complete experience and feedback. I have seen variety of cars, guys, so I'll be talking about them in this video. So first of all, let me tell you, this is not our first car that we are buying. We already have an XUV 700 and a Skoda Rapid as well, and both of these are good cars. One is a 7-seater SUV, other one is a sedan, and I'm telling you, right, really good cars. But thing is, we were looking to buy a brand new car especially for like easy city riding with good mileage. Thing is na, XUV 700 is like an excellent car, guys. 5-star rated build quality, luxury interior, super comfort, and top of the line high-tech features is what I can say. But if you're actually using this car in city na, it is not that easy to drive. Main thing is the size, especially if you're using it in like Hyderabad city traffic in areas like Begumpet, Banjara Hills or Jubilee Hills na, you won't even find space for parking if you go out for like restaurants or shopping, something like that. That is the main reason we were looking for like a compact sort of form factor car, so for like easy city riding. Based on the same thing, I've asked you people also by posting some community posts on YouTube and also on my social media, Instagram as well, and I got like plenty of feedback and like hundreds of comments suggesting different car models. But thing is now, we were not looking for a very small car also like Celerio, Ignis. No, we were not looking for that. We wanted something like a mid-size segment. These days compact SUVs are like currently trending, right, around 12 to 13 lakh rupees. So that is what we were also looking to plan for. So once we actually finalized the whole segment and category of the car, right, we narrowed down the search to like 4 to 5 different car vehicles, guys. So in this list, number one comments, I mean huge number of comments I got from you people was for Tata Nexon and also like Hyundai Venue as well, guys. So we had to add this to the list. Apart from that, we also checked out Kia Sonet and also Skoda Kushaq was also there, Brezza was also there. So basically these were the different cars we were looking to buy for. So first showroom we went to a Tata only because as I've told you, huge number of comments and likes from you people was for that car only. And I'm telling you, right, Nexon Facelift Edition 2024 looks absolutely beautiful, especially from the exteriors. I really like the whole lighting element and also the look of the car. Not to miss out, it is also like 5-star rated safety features are also there. So we went to the showroom, talked to the people and took a test drive of the car. And when we actually sat in the car and went for city ride, I was not that satisfied with the interiors, especially the fit and finish and the whole cabin feel, dashboard and these sort of areas looked a bit plasticky to me. The variant we saw was called as Pure or Pure S, I believe, which comes definitely above the base variant only. And on-road price of this car in Hyderabad area was almost like 13,75,000 rupees. And for this price point, there were a lot of features missing, I felt, guys. So we were not getting rear camera, and armrest was also not there on the inside. Basic fabric seats are coming. Rear wiper was also not there, and the door handles are also like plastic color, guys, black color, not even body painted. So we didn't feel it was like value for money. On top of that, a couple of other people, my dad's friend actually has like Tata Nexon, not the newer facelift edition though, but the 2022 model, and he told us that Tata service and reliability is not that good. He has actually faced like a couple of niggles and issues in his car and had to frequently go to the service center, and the response of the Tata service guys was also not that good. So this kept us a bit confusing, and that is the reason we kept Tata car aside. If you people also have any sort of experiences with Tata cars, maybe like Nexon or any other model, you can definitely let me know in the comment section down below, guys. I'd like to read your comments as well. Keeping Tata car aside, second showroom we went to was Skoda to check out Skoda's new Kushaq, guys. Kushaq was also like a really good looking car, 5-seater car, I would say, compact SUV, and the interiors definitely gave that rich and premium feel, nothing less to be expected from a German car, Skoda. And even the exterior styling, everything was nice. So we definitely liked the model, but thing is now, Skoda Kushaq was like quite expensive, guys. Our variant which we liked now, it was almost like 17-18 lakh rupees on road, and we didn't wanted to spend that much money. So we removed Skoda Kushaq and even Volkswagen Taigun as well from the list. Now moving on, we went to like Hyundai showroom, and Kia showroom was also like just side by side only. And in Hyundai we were checking out Venue. Now I'm not sure how many people know this, but Hyundai and Kia are exactly the same companies, guys. Basically like sister companies from Korea and come under Hyundai Motor Group only. The whole platform used, the engine used, everything on the inside is exactly the same. Only difference comes in the styling. So Hyundai cars are also pretty nice only, guys. I really like the engine, the transmission, the whole comfort, and the quality of features they offer for the price point. We liked both the cars. Venue facelift was also good looking, and Sonet facelift was looking really good, guys. And to be honest, now in out of all these cars, I felt Sonet's 2024, especially the facelift edition, was the most stylish and good looking car, I would say. If you ask about the safety ratings, see, a lot of people say that Hyundai cars are not that good, but see, since 2023, Hyundai has actually improved a lot on the build quality and safety features. Now, if you people remember, Hyundai's recent Verna car, the facelift edition, has actually scored 5-star in global NCAP, and Hyundai has promised that they'll be following the similar safety features and build quality on all their upcoming cars. And based on that only, all the newer cars that you're getting, either it be Creta, Venue, or even look at the Kia, both of these are same, as I've told you, right? Creta and Seltos share the same platform. Similarly, Venue and Sonet share the same platform. Even the engine is also the same. My cousin already had the Hyundai Venue, guys, 1.2 liter in a petrol engine variant, and engine quality, refinement, and also the whole transmission system, everything felt really great. So that is already proven. I've tested it, nothing to worry about. So since he already had the Venue, my eyes were like really set on the Kia Sonet, guys, especially because of the looks. One more car I totally forgot to talk about is Mahindra's brand new 3XO, which recently came in the market. This was also like a really good car. I mean, the kind of safety features it was offering, build quality, and all the high-tech features, right? Really nice. But problem is, we already have Mahindra's XUV 700, and we didn't wanted like a little brother to the same thing, because it was exactly the same, guys. If you sit in the car, right, it was feeling similar sort of feel, and I didn't wanted that. We wanted something new. That is the reason we didn't go for that. And apart from that, if you talk about Maruti's Brezza, now a lot of people, told me that build quality of these cars is not that great, and there's a lot of rumors and issues going around, right? So that is the reason we didn't even go to Maruti's showroom. And that's it. After finally making our decision from all of these different models and car makers, we finally came down to the decision between Hyundai Venue or Kia Sonet. Now, I've already told you, my cousin already had like Venue, and that is the reason we wanted to go for Kia Sonet. And plus, we really like the styling of the brand new facelift 2024 variant, guys. So the variant we actually went for is called as HTK Plus. It was like a newest trim which was just launched recently, not even like hardly 8 days or 10 days, and recently came to the market and offers like crazy features, guys. Value for money car is what I can say. For this price point, right, on the Kia Facelift 2024, you're getting like complete all LED lighting setup with also LED indicators as well, plus connected tail lamp design at the back side. And not to miss out, you're also getting like keyless entry, push button start stop, auto headlamps, rear wiper, 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Android Auto, and not to miss out, premium semi-leatherette seats as well. I'll be showing you all of these features in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing of our brand new car.